Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Today, I finally have the spring edition of the Margot Elena box. And this is heavy as hell. And I'm very excited about getting into it. So I'm not going to drag my feet. And it says, she has arrived. I love this box. I've only gotten it one other time, but it was fantastic. It was beyond what I expected, and I hope the same for this box. It's so heavy, and it's always just stuffed with the best stuff. And it says Beauty in Full Bloom. And this is box number 18. And it tells us what's inside and the value. And the total value of the box is $201. And I cannot wait. Let me put these scissors out of the way. See what is in here. And everything is always wrapped up so nicely. Just beautifully wrapped. And I'm going to start with this from the Cottage House. It's a grapefruit and blood orange, moisture-rich dry body oil, which I love a dry body oil. And it says juicy grapefruit orange extracts, nature's mood boosters, loaded with vitamin C and is celebrated for their uplifting aromatherapeutic properties, bursting orchard ripe botanicals, nourishing, soft, and quench your skin. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. The packaging is just gorgeous. I'm just going to smell it real quick. I'm not going to pump any out. It smells like the most heavenly citrus combination with the grapefruit and the blood orange. It's super fresh and lively. That is fantastic. And that is $28. So that's not bad. And that's a very nice, generous size. Ooh, this is heavy. It's wrapped up in bubble wrap. I have a feeling this might be either body lotion or a candle, like a body cream. It's very well packaged, that's for sure. Woo! Cha-cha. Okay, this is super heavy glass container, and this is a Coco body butter, and this is Lolila Breathe Peony and White Lily, and beautiful, just gorgeous packaging. Oh, look how rich it looks. It's a big air bubble, but there's still plenty of product in there, and there's some in the lid. And it smells divine. And the body butter is $40, and it is fantastic. I've had some of the body butter before, and I really, really loved it. Then we have from Tokyo Milk, Balm Shea Butter Lotion, number 72. And that is the fragrance crushed and distilled, it says. Bon Rich Lotion. Oh, and it comes in this beautiful packaging. And it is in Make Me Blush. Magnolia, honeysuckle, jasmine vine, and bourbon. That's gonna smell amazing. I've already smelled two strong things, so I don't know that I can smell it. And this This is sealed. So I'm just going to keep it sealed for right now. But it is beautiful, and I know that that is going to smell delicious. And that is the hand cream is $23. Then we have really cute here, the Kiss Kiss Lip Balm. Look at that packaging. It's just the most adorable. And it's got like a little unicorn on it. It's Tokyo Milk also. And this is $10. And it's in just a beautiful tube. I know it's just lip balm, but it's fancy lip balm. And it's sealed, so I'm going to keep that sealed for right now until I'm ready to use it. And the Tokyo Milk products are just so divine. We have 3 more things left. And this is Library of Flowers, and it is Willow and Water Luminary. And it is a candle. Oh, it smells really delicious. So, this is, the tin candle is $14. Which is not bad for a candle of this quality and this size. Then we have this. Oh, great. We have a Lolia. This Moment Water Lily and Sun Blossoms Perfume Shower Gel. And it doesn't go exactly with the body butter, but that's okay. It's a very generous size. And this is $23. And from the other shower gels that I've received from Margot Elena, I've been just blown away with the beautiful soft fragrances. So if you're someone who doesn't like fragrance, this is not the box for you. And this is the last but not least. Can't wait to see what this is. It is a bottle, and it's got a little piece of cloth with it. And this is small batch perfume, and this is Field of Flowers. And look how it's just beautiful, just gorgeous. I will have to smell with it. Take a little smellaroo. It's very light, floral, but not heavy, and it smells beautiful. I know that's not a lot of great descriptive terms, but the Library Flower perfume is $42. And then, oh, I was wrong. There's still some more in here. I almost missed it. There's some note cards. There's always some beautiful note cards in here. This says Chick's Night Out. You're still irresistibly foxy. And then there's one thing left here. Oh. Let's see. And this is Unlocking Every Drop of Beauty. And this is for the tin hand cream. Slide the key on the end of the hand cream tube, gently turn key from bottom to top, and never miss a precious drop, which is very nice because I have a lot of tin hand creams and this key will be great for a lot of them. So that's fantastic. So I got the hand cream key, I got some beautiful cards, I got a candle, I got the hand cream, I got the dry oil, I got the perfume, I got the body butter, which is so heavy, and then I've got the shower gel and the lip balm. So I got all these items for $69.99. I think I had to pay for shipping too. So about $75, I would say. I got a wealth of beautifully fragranced and packaged items. I'm very tickled with this box. It's always something I look forward to. The second time that I've gotten it, I really have enjoyed it, and I'm just tickled. And once again, it's a $201 value, and the quality is just fantastic. I hope you've had a great day. I hope you've had a good time with me. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.